Hello, this is Toa Kimbayo, and I am the CEO of Stunt Riders. Stunt Riders is a Vancouver-based company which provides its customers with free online biking tutorials, as well as one-on-one training sessions that are instructed by our best professional coaches. Stunt Riders also sells premium-made carbon steel, titanium, and aluminum mountain bikes, which would be perfect for hiking and trekking. The mountain bike can also be rented in stores with cheap and affordable prices. Our store also includes a repair shop, where you leave with your bike looking as good as new. Our biking tutorials and training sessions consist of over 200 biking tips and tricks for beginners, intermediate, as well as advanced level bikers. Our team consists of numerous high qualified members who will offer you the finest customer experience and aid you throughout your journey. Our headquarters is located in Richmond, BC, which is just a 5-minute drive from the YVR airport. Stunt Riders, where your journey begins.